Can I put a fire pit under a tree? Whether camping in the great outdoors or just building a cozy fire in your backyard, proper fire pit placement is essential. It is important both for safety and the health of the local environment. Concerns. A fire gives off sparks and thick smoke. Sparks may ascend to the branches of a nearby tree and set leaves on fire. This is especially dangerous during dry spells and in the fall when the leaves are dead. The entire tree could subsequently set on fire. The smoke given off from the fire may choke out the leaves, killing them as well as the branches. Considerations. The size of the fire will have a great impact on how far away a fire pit should be from trees. The larger the fire, the farther away it should be to ensure safety. The size of the tree is another issue. Large trees with low-hanging branches are especially dangerous when looming over a fire. Solutions. Place the fire pit as far away as possible from trees, power lines and overhead structures. At least 15 to 20 feet is recommended. Try to find a clearing and always keep the fire small and manageable. If you don't have an expansive lawn, consider purchasing a gas outdoor fire pit or one that burns denatured alcohol. These do not throw off smoke and sparks like wood-burning fire pits.